Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So today we made like a spider crawling. So we need string and tape. So let's see how the spider crawls. And the spider's not even an insect. So you see how it crawls and it's getting its food and yum! Yum 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 eating. So that's how it goes. We have like the crab spider paper, and where the folds are, you have to fold. So you don't need like yellow or brown. You can use any color you want because spiders are lots and lots of colors. So I'm going color. Ooh. So now I'm finishing coloring, but just I have to like color in the white spaces. So you can't really see because you're out there somewhere, but we are doing it. So we can see like some white spaces. You hear one? Here or there. And yeah. Done. So now we're doing the folds. But first, you see this paper we got? So we have to put it like this.
And we have to line it up perfectly.
Yeah. So we fold right here. We have to see.
So take some additional paper, then flip your paper around, put this additional paper on the back, and then line up together. And you see this fold, you have to fold it on that line.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we have to get some string.
Yeah.
So we have this string here, and it's green yarn,
Yeah.
and we also have the sticker here that we wrap the string around inside. Then we folded it. Now it's a flag.
Yeah.
But actually it's a holder. Okay.
Yeah, two. But there's two flags
Okay. So
on each side.
yeah. So we like put the string in each of these folds. Then we get some tape.
Yeah.
And look, there's some lines here, and if you want, you can line them up together. Okay, so we cut the tape, and now we have to tape them on inside the boxes
Yeah.
and on the folded paper.
Yeah. Okay. So it's kind of hard because these are kind of thin.
Yeah. Okay. So now we've got this.
Yeah.
So we'll get a ruler and we'll show you how to do it in action.
Yeah. Or we can use something else for the other folds there.
Yeah. And the last step is, you see this fold, that's the last step. Fold it again.
Yeah.
And now you enjoy.
Yeah.
So I really like this yellow crab spider because the yellow is really like making my eyes go into the picture.
Yeah. Well, it has some other colors. You see here, it's supposed to be like light orange, and these spaces and these dots are supposed to be brown. And mostly there's yellow.
Yeah. So you don't have to do this crab spider. Only you can do the jumping spider or the orb weaver spider.
Orb weaver spider.
I did the jumping spider. He did the orb weaver spider.
And we both did the
the
crab spider.
Okay, now we're just going to get a stick and show you, or a ruler, and show you how it works.
Yeah. Or we can use this pencil.
So for the jumping spider project, I connected the string. But first, I made the jumping spider, which my brother is holding right over there.
Yeah.
And then I put the connecting parts all the way on that hook. And I also hooked up this insect. Well, I don't know what this is, but there's a cool part about it.
Kind of cool.
Okay, now let's start. So my brother is going to do it.
So we will just pull lightly on the string.
Yeah.
Gently.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to make the spider crawl too.
It's climbing up sideways. Okay. It's near the middle. Actually, now it's at the middle. Come on, spider, go. You can get your prey.
Yeah, you can do it! Clapping for spider, clapping for fun. And ooh, yes!
Yay!
Yum, yum, yum! Yes, yes, it's eating! It's eating the pie.
So that project was a success.
Yeah!
So we're going to keep on playing until Halloween night comes.
Yeah, because it's
So,
just today.
And if you
We're
want to play too,
already in the costume.
okay, and if you want to make it too, you can go to mysteryscience.com and you can go to this section. This section is called Seasonal Science. Well, it has to be fall, but not 2018. Well, it could be 2018 because the video was made from 2018, so make sure to check the video out. And if you don't have the template, print it out if you have a printer. Bye.
I'm going to start with the orb weaver spider.
And the orb weaver spider silk is the strongest silk in the world than any other spider. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You can do it.
Yeah.
Get to your home.
Yay! Yay! Spider at its home! Home, sweet home!
Now I'm going to make the jumping spider go to its prey.
Yeah. And it's Halloween.
Yeah, today is Halloween, so that's why my brother's doing this Spider-Man costume.
Yeah. Spider-Man.
And it's going up and
And
up
And
and up.
up. Yay! It's eating!
From?
And and it's going to be a very hard time to get it down.
So I'm so small.
Yeah.
Well, I'm too small to get it down. Well, so now I'm going to call the spider, but here's the paper spider.
And the kind of spider is called a jumping
Jumping
spider,
spider.
because it jumps up high to get its prey.
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Okay.
So
And if it's bending, you might want to
like
like-
there?
open the string wider so it doesn't break.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to continue on.
And make sure to look at our blog too.
And like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye!